Question number 4 says this model is shaded to represent one whole. Okay, so that tells me, just like when we were making our Halloween or fall pictures where we were using our base 10 blocks, it's the same idea. We used the flat to represent 1. Okay, so we're dealing with decimals. So Zach drew a model that was shaded to represent 0 and 53 hundredths. This number is not equal to 1, so I shouldn't have any of these completely colored in, or it's wrong. Which model could Zach have drawn? So we're looking for one that has only 53, and you can write this as a fraction if it helps. 53 out of, hold on, there's the bell. That only has 53 out of all of these 100 shaded in. Okay? So which model could he have drawn? So let's go through and label, because it'll be good practice. So this is 1 whole, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a whole number, and then 1, 2, 3 out of 10. 5 and 3/10. That is way larger than that. That's like saying $5.30 versus 53 cents. Has the same numbers, but they're in the wrong position. So that's not it. Let's look at this one. You know this is 10, so I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 out of 100. So that's 80 out of 100, or 0 and 80 hundredths. That doesn't match. All right, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are little bitty hundredths. So you would write it like that, 5 and 3 hundredths. It's got the right numbers, but they're in the wrong place value. So then we get to our last one, and let's see, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53 out of 100, or you can write it 0 and 53 hundredths. That's your correct one. So when you're doing a problem like this, I should see some kind of labeling, and especially if they give you a picture, you should be drawing all over them, labeling.